Hey guys, we received this Mart Cobra emergency fire blanket for home and kitchen for test and try. So it's a fire blanket, it's emergency for the safety or the home safety, 40 by 40 suppression shield with a retardant extinguisher fire glass. So you can see very nice clothing in here. Just take and just band and take it out with this fire cloth, and then you can just put it on the fire and completely, so this will protect, and this will protect any document or any very precious stuff. So if you wrap in here, it will all fire protected. So this is a really nice fabric, and which will not even go in the fire or happen in the fire as well. Stitching and the cloth wise, this is really good and can be used for both home and kitchen. And a nice fabric with the only 500 grams, and small bag for the storage as well. So you just put on the fire or wrap in your clothes or the stuff, and then leave covered until it's cool. So really nice blanket for the fire thing.